Now, said Robin, seeing we have all come to church, it is a pity there should be no wedding. Let the lady choose of all these fine men who she will have. Now, Robin said, seeing we all have all come to the church, it seems that we all are here. It is a pity there should be no wedding. It's very sad that there will be no wedding today. Why? Because we are not going to force that girl. Let the lady choose of all these fine men who she will have. Now here these people are standing, those 24 men. Alan Adale was also there, but nobody knew that who were they. He thought that these are the men. Out of these, let the lady choose to whom she want to get married. Christabel put out her hand timidly and slipped it into Alan Adale's. Now she recognized Alan Adale. वो जानती थी उसको. What she did, she put out her hand timidly. Timidly means shyly, शर्मा कर, and slipped into Alan Adale's. She held his hand and slipped into Alan Adale and went with Alan Adale. Got on the side of Alan Adale. The bishop refused to conduct the marriage, so Friar Tuck put on the bishop's fine gown and took his big book, and everyone laughed as he stepped to the rails of the altar. He looked so fat and jolly. Now, after seeing this, the bishop, he refused to conduct the marriage. Refused means mana karna, deny. He said that I will not conduct this marriage. So what happened? Then Friar Tuck, he was also the friend of that Robin Hood. He put on the bishop's fine gown and took his big book, and everyone laughed as he stepped to the rails of the altar. He looked so fat and jolly. Bishop, that Friar Tuck was fat and jolly. Jolly means happy natured, happy and cheerful. So he put on his clothes and took the book and started the marriage service. Then the marriage service began. Who gives this maiden to be married? Said Friar Tuck. He said, who gives this maiden to be married? कौन इस लड़की की शादी करवाएगा? Maiden means the girl. The who is not married is known as maiden. Who will allow her to marry? To be married? Friar Tuck said. That do I, said Robin. Robin ने कहा, I will. Christabel's father would have liked to cry out and stop the wedding, but he could not. When Christabel's father saw all this, he was about to cry loudly. Cry out means to shout and stop the wedding, but he could not do this. He wanted to stop the wedding. He was not in the favor of getting married of these two people, this knight and this girl, Alan Adale and Christabel. He was not ready. He was about to shout and stop the marriage, but he could not. Why? Two of Robin's men held him tight and kept their hands over his mouth so that he could not make a sound. Because two of the Robin's men, they were very powerful. They hold him tightly and kept their hands over his mouth. They shut the mouth so that he could not make any sound. So Christabel and Alan Adale were married and went to live with Robin Hood in Sherwood Forest. After that, the ceremony took place. They were married, both were married, and they went with Robin Hood to live in Sherwood Forest. Christabel left the place, left the house of her father, and went with Robin Hood and got married to Alan Adale, and they went in Sherwood Forest to live together. So this was the chapter. It's very simple and very easy, interesting. You read it and find any difficulty, you can ask it. Okay students, bye bye.